Hello, and today we're doing day in a life, but not my typical day in a life because today we are going to
the beach.
But first, I gotta get ready. I don't think I've really been to the beach since Enzo was born. I probably haven't been to the beach in like, gosh, years. I've taken Hira to the beach a couple of times, but you know, being by myself, it's taking them by myself is hard. So I have my friend Melissa here, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that she's here, and we'll go to Malibu, even though it's gonna be overcast, but it'll still be fun, and it'll be a nice trial to see like the logistics of taking two kids to the beach by myself, what I might need. So I like to kind of do these, like, I guess they're like dry runs to see how well it goes, if I could do it by myself. And usually I do like a little like shadow, but maybe I'm really gonna keep these simple. I'm just gonna do eyeliner, mascara, and then we're done. Okay, not the best cat eye, but it'll do. Okay. So I don't know if I mentioned that my mom is doing van life right now. She went to Texas for the total solar eclipse, and then, can I give you this? Are you done with banana? She went to Texas for a total solar eclipse, and then she went New Mexico, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, and now she's in Canada. But so whenever she likes to hike, so whenever she visits the national parks, she sends a postcard. Going today from the Glacier National Parks, and I have 8 so far. My goal is to put a map of North America over there and just kind of pin where all the postcards are, so the boys can kind of see where Grandma's going. She's going in Canada, and then her goal is to go to Alaska and hike a few national parks in Alaska. So yeah, I got this today. It's always like a fun little thing to see in the mail, because I don't think we get anything cool these days. It makes me want to, send my friends' kids some postcards. All right, I gotta tend to Enzo. I know, I'm sorry. Okay. Enzo's probably gonna have a really early bedtime because he barely napped today. So hopefully I can work on this video. But I do need to do a voiceover for a plan with me that I need to release next week. So yeah, I guess we'll just end it here. Thank you so much for joining. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.